First, Hoshang Chengchisan. Hoshang Chengchisan is Pingwei-san and Erchentang variation. So it has Erchentang inside and also Pingwei-san. So as you can see, Pingwei-san, Erchentang. Hoshang Chengchisan. So Pingwei-san treat dampness. Is that right? This is the foundational formula for dampness. And what does it treat? Yeah, middle jaw, considering its name, Wei is stomach. But major function of Pingwei-san is regulating dampness. Dampness in middle jaw. This will be in your midterm test too. And how about the Erchentang? Phlegm. So they are very similar formula. And what kind of symptoms in gastrointestinal system with dampness? What is the most representative symptom? What do you think? Diarrhea. And how about the phlegm in gastrointestinal system? Vomiting and nausea. So what do you think Hoshang Chengchisan treat? Hoshang Chengchisan treat diarrhea and vomiting. Diarrhea and vomiting. And we call that Holan. So this is the type of formula with both diarrhea and vomiting and nausea with enteritis and cold-like symptoms. Then we have a question. Pingwei-san release dampness and Erchentang release phlegm and treat diarrhea and vomiting. But how about fever and chills? So which herbs here treat fever and chills? As you can see, Hoshang is added and Suye is added. So what do they do? Hoshang and Suye. Hoshang and Suye. In addition to these two herbs, Zheng and Baichi treat runny nose and exterior symptoms, and Zheng also treat coughing and exterior symptoms. But these are more important herbs here. Hoshang and Suye decide this formula's identity. Yes, I said identity. So Hoshang Chengchisan is different from Pingwei-san and Erchentang. When we combine these two, we call that Ping Chentang. Then what is the difference with Ping Chentang and Hoshang Chengchisan? These two, Hoshang and Suye. And what is Hoshang and Suye? So both actually treat gastrointestinal symptoms with exterior symptoms. So unique. This formula treat common cold-like symptoms. For example, Suye. Suye, do you remember Xiang Shusan? You learned this formula in Formula 1 class. What kind of action it does? Xiang Shusan. Let's look it up. Xiang Shusan. Xiang Shusan composed of Xiangfu and Suye and Chenpi. And this formula treats common cold. But not just regular common cold, but with weak digestive system like a diarrhea and gastrointestinal discomfort, low appetite. So these kind of symptoms. Why they use Suye? Why not Jingjie Fangfeng or Ma Huang? Because Suye has a double action. And Hoshang and Suye both have a double action. What kind of double action? First, GI symptoms. Second, cold-like symptoms. This makes Hoshang Chengchisan unique formula. Take a look at this. These two herbs. This is Panga in Korean. This is Hoshang. This is Panga flower. Any flower, famous flower in the Western society, ring a bell to you? It looks like lavender. Yes, they are same species, similar species. And it has a fragrance, and this leaf look like what? Look like perula. And this is very similar to perula. And this suya is perula. And Xiang is Korean mint. So they have a both double action. So Korean giant mint, Xiang, and suya is perula. And they both treat gastrointestinal problems with exterior symptoms. So Korean people use this herb into their fish dishes. Why? Fishes easily make a trouble. So it is kind of prevention because they knew this won't work as a medicine. And how about the perula? This is perula. We commonly use in Japanese restaurant with sashimi or sushi. But as a medicine, we prefer this purple perula. And this is called shiso. Actually, shiso means purple perula. So it is a redundant. Red shiso means red purple perula. So we don't have to put red here.
Zisu is widely used in Japanese seafood dishes and called shiso. Shiso means purple reviving grass in Chinese.
紫苏
Because according to a legend, when a child who almost died from food poisoning after eating a crab was revived after being fed purple perilla leaves, and that is why this herb came to be called shiso, purple reviving grass.
小池澄子1998
Page 66. The Chinese character for shiso was originally derived from red perilla. Chinese call this purple while Japanese call red. Blue shiso and red shiso are usually used for food, and blue shiso is also known as oba.
大葉
It is considered a typical Japanese herb with a distinctive aroma and pungency derived from perillaldehyde. The leaves as well as the young shoots, or ears, and fruits are edible, and are mainly used to avor and color dishes such as sashimi, hand-rolled sushi, and chilled tofu, and to remove the odor of sh. As a vegetable, blue shiso is in season from summer to autumn, July to October, while red shiso is in season in early summer, June to July.
So shiso, perula, red or blue, and also Korean mint, panga. All those herbs are commonly used with fish when they cook fish because it can prevent the trouble. So let's sum it up. So what does Xiang Chengqisan treat? As you can see, diarrhea here, and vomiting, and exterior symptoms. Actually, this is all about Xiang Chengqisan. So even though this formula is not classified, categorized into treat exterior and interior formula, so it treats both exterior and interior. But actually, this formula can treat both exterior and interior. And there is another similar formula, Ge, Gen, Huang, Lian, Huang, Qin, Tang. So as you can see, Ge, Gen treat exterior, and Huang, Nian, Huang, Qin treat interior heat, so excess heat. And actually, Huang, Nian, Huang, Qin. Any idea? What is Huang, Nian, Huang, Qin? Huang, Nian, Huang, Qin is Xie. This is also some unknown formula, Xie. What is Xie? Clear, heart, chest. And this concept includes both chest and stomach. So Xie. Do you remember Xie Tang? Xie Tang. Huang Nian, Huang Qin, and Da Huang. And how about Bansha Xie Tang? Bansha Xie Tang. Huang Nian, Huang Qin, and Ren Shen, and Bansha. So this part is Xie. Xie. So maybe we can say Gegen Huangnian Huangqintang is Gegen Xie. So Gegen release exterior and Huangnian Huangqin release interior heat and clear the chest. So this formula is categorized into treat exterior and interior formula. So this one treat heat type diarrhea with exterior symptoms. How about Xiang Chengqisan? Xiang Chengqisan treat damp type of diarrhea with exterior. In terms of cold and heat, Xiang Chengqisan treat cold type of diarrhea. In the other hand, Gegen Huangnian Huangqintang treat heat type of diarrhea with exterior symptoms. So when you have enteritis, stomach flu, you have a cold-like symptoms, fever, chills, and also diarrhea. And both formula treat those symptoms. Xiang Chengqisan and Gegen Huangnian Huangqintang. Let's finish Xiang Chengqisan. Chengqisan. Xiang Chengqisan. And this is a very popular formula. As you can see, there are many descriptions about Xiang Chengqisan. So first, take a look at this summary table. Pingweishan or Chentang. Or Chentang. Try to remember again. Mansha, Fuling, Chempi. And Pingweishan, Baichu, Zhangchu, Chempi, Ganzhou, Hopo. And Xiang and Shuye, Xiang. And Chengqi implies treating internal problems, gastrointestinal system. And Hopo, Dafupi. This Dafupi, just like Hopo, it releases the dampness. So this is Xiang Chengqisan. So regulate exterior and remove dampness. And regulate qi and harmonize middle jaw. Tongue white greasy. So this white means cold and greasy dampness. How about the purse? Maybe soggy, slippery, and maybe floating. Everything is possible. And king herb is Xiang. Why? Because Xiang is inside of its name. So Xiang treat cold and dispel dampness. So in terms of category, Xiang is categorized into removing dampness herb, while Suye is categorized into releasing exterior herb. But both of them treat both of the problems. This is story about Xiang Chengqisan. And this one story tell you Xiang Chengqisan does not have specific coldness and heat. Even though I say cold, it can be used either of them. And also it can be used deficiency condition or excess condition. It is a very, very mild formula. So practically no side effect. But personally, I experienced the side effect with Xiang Chengqisan is distension. What? It is the formula remove distension with Pingweishan or Chentang. And why does it make distension? Some patients, not all the patients, but some patients with sensitive to carbohydrate. So they complain that after taking herbal medicine, they complains more gas in the abdomen. That was the side effect I experienced, but not severe side effect. And this is a story in Korean history. Not actual history, this is a legend.
It was said that when Dr. Heo Jun was young and not yet famous as a physician, he opened a pharmacy in Guri-gai, now near Yuljiro, in Seoul, and saw patients. One day, a scholar came to Heo Jun's office saying he had an appointment to meet someone. However, this scholar did not leave the office for several days, and the person he was supposed to meet never showed up. In the meantime, a man rushed into Heo Jun's office saying his wife was nearing childbirth and had a sudden urge, asking for medicine to be prepared. Dr. Heo Jun refused, saying he couldn't prescribe medicine without seeing the patient, but the husband kept begging for medicine. At that time, the scholar who had been watching suggested preparing 3 doses of Huo Xiong Zheng San. Dr. Heo Jun was skeptical since it's not a commonly used medicine for pregnant women, but upon the husband's continuous pleading, he prepared 3 doses of Huo Xiong Zheng San. That evening, another person came in, saying his neighboring pregnant woman had taken the medicine prescribed here and saved her life, and asked for medicine for his 3-year-old son's fever. Again, the scholar who was there suggested preparing 3 doses of Huo Xiong Zheng San. Although Huo Xiong Zheng San wasn't exactly the right medicine for pediatric fever, Dr. Heo Jun prepared 3 doses of Huo Xiong Zheng San as the scholar said. The next day, the child's father came early in the morning to express his gratitude as the child had recovered. On another day, the son of a wealthy man came to Heo Jun to get medicine for his father. While Heo Jun was carefully listening to the father's condition, the scholar next to him again suggested preparing 3 doses of Huo Xiong Zheng San. The wealthy man's son thought that Huo Xiong Zheng San, as mentioned by the strange scholar, didn't seem right, so he got ginseng medicine from elsewhere for his father to take. However, the father's illness did not improve. Then, after hearing about the scholar, he brewed and took the Huo Xiong Zheng San prescribed by Dr. Heo Jun, and the illness was cured right away. The scholar mysteriously disappeared, and no one could any his whereabouts. Afterward, Dr. Heo Jun became famous as a physician.
So this Hoshang Chengchisan story tells you Hoshang Chengchisan is very neutral. It can be used practically regardless of heat or cold and excess or the deficiency, as long as there is exterior symptoms and dampness and phlegm. And this is also commonly used formula for IBS symptoms. And this is my beloved formula in my clinic, Hoshang Chengchisan. And also remember Gugun Huangyan Huang Shintang. What is the difference? Gugun Huangyan Huang Shintang is colder and Hoshang Chengchisan is warmer. That is the only difference, and they both treat gastrointestinal symptoms with cold-like symptoms. Let's take a look at this question.
A 40-year-old female comes to you because she has had diarrhea and vomiting for the past 2 days. She also reports epigastric and abdominal pain and bloating. Other symptoms include nausea, flatulence, loss of appetite, headache, fever and dislike of cold. She has a white greasy tongue coating and her pulse is soggy. Which of the following herbal formulas is the most
appropriate? So vomiting and diarrhea. Quite important clue. And also epigastric pain and nausea, so sign of phlegm, and headache, fever-like symptoms, and chills. So very decisive. Hoshang Chengchisan is the right answer. And let's try second question. Which of the following formula does not treat exterior and interior, both of them? Hoshang Chengchisan, yes, it is right. And Renzen Baidusan, it treats exterior, common cold, and Renzen tonifies interior. Gugun Huangyan Huang Chintang treat exterior and heat inside gastrointestinal system. And about Xiaoyaosan, treat liver, spleen disharmony. How about Da Chai Tang? Da Chai Tang treat Taiyang and Xiaoyang symptoms. Yangming and Xiaoyang symptoms. Yangming and Xiaoyang. So Yangming is interior and Xiaoyang is exterior. So right answer is Xiaoyaosan. This one does not treat both of the interior and exterior signs. So also remember this one.